tough mom in a sense na ituturo niya sa'yo kung paano maging mabuting tao, magtipid, palaging nandyan para sa amin. Happy birthday. Ang pinaka-wish ko lang sa'yo this birthday mo is mag-relax ka naman and magbakasyon naman kasi you deserve everything naman po.
Bigyan pang maraming taon, daming birthday. Papasalamat ako sa Panginoon. Happy birthday! Mahal ko sa buhay, Melinda.
Very thankful to have a mother like you. Thank you for looking out for us and always giving your best to provide. And I am so proud na I can boast na I have a mother who is responsible, puts herself above the family. Kasi I'm very lucky to have you. Hindi lang ako, si Ate Mai, si Kuya Bonnie, si Sean, lalo na si Papa. Sobrang maswerte namin kasi never kang sumuko sa pangarap mo.
And let's all give a big shout and applause and cheer to our celebrant in her 60th birthday. Give it up to Mrs. Melinda Nakulanga!
Proud ako sa kapatid ko kasi siyang binigyan ng biyaya ng Panginoong Diyos. Nagpapasalamat ako dahil konting kibot lang, manghingi kami ng tulong. Sa awa ng Panginoong Diyos, hindi rin siya madamot sa aming magkakapatid. Kaya pinagdadasal ko na bigyan ka pa ng maraming birthday. Dahil ikaw lang sinasandalan ng mga kapatid mo at mga kamag-anak mo. Kung baga, hingi lang tayo ng tulong lagi sa Panginoong Diyos. Nabigyan tayo ng mahabang buhay.
I was born to fly.
It's all here. You can witness it right now on your birthday. The fruits of your labor from us, your family, the things we can do for you and the things that you can do for us. It's all appearing here right now, like everybody could witness it. So thank you very much, Mom.
Today will be the day. It all will change. Nothing, no one's in my way. Today will be the day.
Sabi ko lang kay Ate Melinda ay maraming salamat po. Kasi simula po nung magkatabi kami sa Commonwealth Market ay parang nagkaroon pa ako ng kapatid, kumare, taga-advise. Tapos andyan po siya lagi para payuhan ako kung ano yung mga ano sa buhay. Kasi nga naman para siyang nanay, kapatid ko talaga na natagpuan ko po sa Commonwealth Market.
Today will be the day. There will be
would also be a blessing towards other people around you. And lagi ko pinag-pray talaga na i-bless yung family nyo. Kasi we really appreciate your small help and your concerns. So yun means a lot to us, and we pray for best for your family, especially kay Tita. We love you so much and happy birthday.